Good morning, students. Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so today's date is 12th of January 2021. This is class 11th, and I will teach you commerce. And I'm going to ask you a few questions. If you know the answer, then please give answer in complete sentences. Okay, so tell me, what do you mean by company?
A company is a legal entity to operate business with profit motive.
Very good. Who forms company?
An individual corporate can form a company.
Very good. Name the process of managing a company.
The process of managing a company is called management.
Very good. Okay, so who perform the function of management?
Manager perform the function of management.
Very good. So name the process of management in which what is to be done is decided in advance. So students, today we shall study about planning. Okay. So now tell me, who decide in advance the course of action?
Manager decide in advance the course of action.
Very good. So what is planning?
Planning is to decide in advance what to do.
Okay. So here is the meaning of planning. So planning is looking forward, anticipating future, and deciding the course of action. Okay. So in planning, what we do is we look forward. Means whatever planning we are doing is for future also, future only. Okay. We are not planning for past. We are planning for future. So that is why it is looking forward. Anticipating futures means that in which we anticipate future. Okay, and deciding the course of actions means whatever will be the actions means course of action means which what action will be will do, how it will be done, and why it will be done. This is all deciding in is known as planning. Okay, so that is why planning is looking forward, anticipating future, and deciding the course of action. Okay, so according to Amy Hurley, planning is deciding in advance what is to be done. It involves selection of objective, policies, procedure, and program from available alternatives. Okay. So planning is deciding in advance means in advance we decide it is it to be done. It involves okay. So it involves various selections. The first selection is selection of objective means the target, the goal of a business. Okay. So all organization has some target and objective. So and planning involves the selection of this objective. Policies means whatever policies are there means business organization does have some policies on which they work only. Okay, procedure is the methods and the techniques of business environment. Okay, and programs from available alternatives means whatever resources are there, alternative resources are there. So with the use of these resources the business will plan. Okay, so means that the use of these resources will come under planning. Okay, so now tell me, name to the function of managers at all level do.
Manager at all level do planning.
Okay, so check what are the features of planning.
Planning is a continuous process.
Okay, good. Okay, so here are the features of planning. First thing is it is an intellectual process. Okay, so why it is intellectual planning? Because a manager do planning and he plans everything with his mental ability. Okay, his creative ability. These abilities will decide which type of planning will he perform. Okay, so that is why it is an intellectual process, and intellectual ability of a manager is checked through his planning means whatever he will plan will be depend upon his mental ability, his creative ability, and intellectual ability. Okay, second thing is primary function. Why this is primary function? Because planning is the first important function of management. Okay, it is primary because we have to do planning first. Okay, without doing planning we cannot perform any activity or we cannot move to another activity. Without planning, we cannot perform any activity. So planning is the first function of management, and it is very important function of management. That is why it is primary function. Third thing is universal function. Okay, so universal function, why? Because planning is required in all type of activity and everywhere. Means everywhere, everybody will have followed this process. Means they do planning, and they do planning in everything. Means in our daily household even works, we do planning. First decide what to do, how to do, then also we work. Okay, fourth thing is goal oriented. Means whatever planning we do is goal oriented. Means that planning is to achieve the goals and achieve the targets only. So it is goal oriented. Means planning will take us to the goals and it will help us achieving our targets. Okay. So now tell me, what is primary function of management?
Planning is primary function of management.
Very good. Planning is okay. So what are the importance of planning?
Planning is helpful in easy operation of business.
Very good. So here are the importance of planning. First thing is basis of control. Okay. So because planning provides standards against actual performance that can be measured. Okay. So that is why it provides the basis of control. Means there is it provide the standard performance. Okay, and then the actual performance will be we will do the comparison between these two, and if there is any deviation, means if differences are there, then we will try to decrease the differences. Okay, so that is why planning provides us the basis of control. Second thing is it reduces uncertainty. Means if we will go without planning, then the things will be uncertain. We don't know what will come upon us. Okay, what will fall upon us, anything. Okay, so but when we plan, we plan we plan very so many risk and so many dangers we plan in even in the past also. So that is why we makes all these uncertainties reduce. Okay. Third thing is economy in operation. Okay, so economy or operation planning helps in selection of best alternative. Okay, it will help in waste of elimination of resources. Okay, and fourth thing is helpful in coordination. Okay, planning is it helps in bringing coordination between the all the stages levels of management. Okay, that is why it helpful in coordination. Okay, so now tell me, how planning is economical?
Planning eliminates wastage of resources.
Very good. Okay, so what are the demerits of planning?
Planning takes time and effort.
Very good. So here are the limitations of planning. First thing is it is costly process. Okay, so definitely planning is an expensive process which requires times and money. Okay, so for planning you need a manager, and the manager and his time and effort all will be taken to plan. Okay, that is why it is an costly process. Second thing is rigidity. Okay, so planning can be rigid as changes are not easily made. Okay, so when you plan, okay, now plans are being made, and after the plans are being made, if there are some changes, you have to make some changes, then definitely to make these changes it is not easy. That is why it is rigid. Okay, third thing is lack of accuracy. Plans are based on forecast, which is not always correct. Okay, so we plan only depend on our forecast. Okay, so but sometimes we cannot completely forecast what is going to happen, because we know that future is uncertain. Okay, so there is a lack of accuracy in planning. And fourth thing is human limitation. This is a very important limitation of planning, because planning depends upon the creativity and mental ability of manager only. Okay, so the manager's ability and creativity, mental ability will decide the planning. Okay, but if manager is not capable, manager is not qualified, then definitely this all planning and all the functions of management will go in waste. Okay, so this is the human limitation is there in planning. Okay, so tell me, what is planning?
Planning is to decide in advance what to do.
Very good. So, who performed the function of planning?
Manager perform the function of planning.
Okay. Okay. So, give one feature of planning.
Planning is a primary activity of management.
Very good. Give one importance of planning.
Planning reduces uncertainty in business organization.
Very good. Give one limitations of planning.
Planning is an costly process, expensive process.
Very good. So here are some sentences. There are blanks. Tell me the correct answer to fill in these blanks. Okay. First question is planning is looking.
Planning is looking
Hmm.
forward.
Very good. Planning is looking forward. Okay. Second thing is planning is dash exercise.
Planning is primary exercise.
Planning is a mental exercise. Okay. Third is planning is dash important function.
Planning is primary important function.
Very good. Fourth is planning provide standard against dash performance.
Planning provides standard against business performance.
Planning provide standard against actual performance. Okay. Fifth one is planning depends upon dash and mental ability of manager.
Creativity and mental ability of manager.
Very good. So here are your homework. First question is what do you understand by planning? Okay. And second one is write two advantages of planning. Okay. Thank you, students.